Ground trend, a train is arriving.
I know, we went from airport shots to bed shots. That didn't sound inappropriate. Guys, welcome to D&Q Experience. We're in bed. On our first day, we're in bed.
That was the plan.
It was a plan, not without food though.
The food is on the way.
As you guys can tell by the title, we are. Actually, no, I'm not gonna put it in the title. I need y'all to guess. Leave a comment below and guess where we are. I'm not even gonna tell you where we are in this vlog. You gotta come back to the next vlog tomorrow to find out where we at. I'm not telling y'all nothing. Let's just say I'm cold. Not as cold as him, but I'm cold. And we're sitting in this room and the temperature is on 77 degrees. I had it to 90. He told me to put it down to 96, 93, 92,
What?
71.
73.
This is what happens when you lack food.
That's normal for you though.
Anywho, guys, so we are.
Food is here. Go. Go with the camera.
No, I need
Collect
my
the food. Complain about the food and the food reach.
Thank you. Have a great evening. You too.
Thanks. Oh, sorry about that.
It's okay. Thank you. Let me go wash my hands. We'll be back, guys. We'll be back. Our first meal is going to be some chicken wings. I was saying before, guys, we are on our annual Valentine's Day trip. And no,
February.
And no, it's not February. It is March 25th. So we are a month late, but we finally made it on the trip. Oh my God.
Less people, but we made it.
Yeah, a lot of people dropped out because we had to change the date. But sorry, guys, if you're watching, I'm sorry that you guys wasn't able to still make it. I'm sorry we had to change the date. But don't let that discourage you from next year, okay, guys? Next year will be our 7th year of doing this. So let's see what this food is looking like. Okay, this is regular food. This is supposed to be lemon pepper. Hold on. Oh, shoots. This is supposed to be sweet chili.
Supposed to be. It's supposed to be fries.
And this is supposed to be fries. So yes, I tell you order one.
You're right.
Alright, we're gonna dig in. Oh, your mask. I got the big old blue thing on my face. Ow, you just shocked me. We are out of the room. We've done what we've done. I can't talk.
See?
We are done with our lunch, and now we are out of the room. We are staying in this hotel for one night, and then we are heading to a different city tomorrow afternoon for 3 nights. So, yeah. Tasha and Marcus, they are here with us. However, they are exploring the city. we decided to not explore the city because we have to explore the city tomorrow and Friday and Sunday.
Tomorrow is Friday.
Tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday. So I'm gonna give you guys a peek at outside. If you didn't guess earlier where we are, I'm gonna give you guys a peek so you can try guessing again. And Kayla and Freddie, I hope you guys didn't guess in the beginning. I gotta put that disclaimer at the bottom of the screen. Kayla and Freddie, don't guess. They'll be the only ones that know. They'll be the only ones that know where we at. All right, let's go for a walk. Our hotel is located close to the airport. It's a fairly new development. Our bus driver this morning said the hotel was built like a year ago. And when I was on Google Maps, Google Map did not have this hotel or these stores on their map. And Siri, the Apple map, did not have the stores on the map. It only had the hotel, and everything else was just dirt and grass. But now they're building. So over there, they're building another building. Don't know what it is, but they're developing some things around here. Looks like it's up and coming. All right, guys. All right, let's give you your hint. All right, guys. There's some mountains with snow. Did you guess yet? Did you guess yet? You're never gonna guess. There's a gas station with the McDonald's. Can you see that? Is that a booger? I'm like, did I put the chicken in here and cook it? I don't know what. I woke up and I started going. We're waiting on Tasha and Marcus to arrive.
Stop it.
We actually have Tasha. I told you guys Tasha was here. Did you guess her yet? Wow. You only got one option. Coke, Sprite, Mountain Dew, sweet tea. What should she get? Leave a comment below. I'm kidding. Coke. Got ice cream. Okay, BRB.
Because it's frowned upon from where we from.
I haven't been to a drive-thru this time of night in a while. But this is what people do now? Walk through the drive-thru?
They don't let us walk up to the Damion window like that.
In Narcos, who's a
I don't
detective,
understand why I gotta hold my drink in my lap.
Detective Pena, you know?
Because the driver can't hold his drink in his lap.
See that? Did you just see that?
All right, guys, that is it for day one. This is the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. Make sure you comment where you think we are at, and then come back to our next video to see where we really are. Tasha, say goodnight.
Good night, Tasha.
No. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Do the tell me dance.
Log on, people. So we're here again another day on the road.
It's day 2 of our getaway. Oh, this is our... It's not our name. Can you guys guess where we are?
Yet.
Last chance to guess before we tell you. We are in
Colorado.
Colorado! It's snowing right now.
My first time being in snow.
Me too. We just said these are the cars that are coming out. First time in snow. We're on the way to Frisco, Colorado, but we have made a little pit stop at a place called Lookout Mountain. But because it's snowing, you can't see nothing. Like, it's the sky. You can't see too far out. So we're just here waiting on the parentals to come out so we can take a couple of pictures. And then we'll get back in the car and head back on the road. We have finally arrived at our rental property. I'm not going to say Airbnb because we did not find this house on Airbnb. When I show you guys the house tour, I'll definitely leave details on the house. That will be in a separate video. But yeah, we are here. We're not in the mountains. We're in a little community. The mountains are behind me though. Looks so nice. And a little piece of snow right here. I'm gonna mess it up. See, I dirtied it up. We gotta take our shoes off in the house. Waiting on our time where we can check in. It's nice stuff. Yeah. It's very nice. It's 3 levels. So level 1, level 2, and level 3. Is it 4 o'clock yet? This is clear air.
Just thin.
It's supposed. I think this is the good air. Yeah. So. All right, let's go ahead and get inside this house. Why you think I'm nuts? You should give us explain. Okay, look. Explain now. Are you serious? I'm explaining.
Explain!
The 2 latches. We were searching for the entrance to the roof. I found it! She got it out, guys. She got it out.
Okay, I'm done.
We've made it into the house. I don't know what's going on.
Oh my gosh.
She needs medical attention, looks like. Are you okay, Michelle?
No, I'm not.
No, she's not. She's not okay. She's not okay.
Help me, Lord.
Oh.
What?
You need to go get the medication, please.
No more stuff, man.
What do we need from Walmart? Huh? What y'all eat for breakfast? What y'all eat for dinner?
Who's that? Open that door?
Why is there a thermostat in each room?
Why is there a beep beep? What's that noise? Hello, you didn't hear the noise?
Everybody got their own AC?
Tasha, don't worry.
I heard it.
You heard me?
She's crazy or something.
We gotta get to Walmart to get stuff. Somebody is beeping.
That's the microwave?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
So, when we get back on the road, I'll take you guys with us. No trip would be complete without a Walmart run.
Damion, Damion.
Nobody wants to be here on vacation. We are in Walmart. We came to get food items for the house and to pick up Damion's prescriptions. Who goes to a pharmacy on vacation? This guy. And it was like a never-ending prescription too. The lady was like, here's this and this, and I'm like, why we got so much stuff? I thought we was getting one pill. Nah, buddy. Multiple pills. $40.
I guess it's an advantage of having a personal doctor.
Thank God you got a doctor. But they got the snow pants over there. And they got bras. Yes, we're gonna get some food and then head back to the house. And that'll be it for the night, guys. So this is the end of day 2. If you do anything interesting, you will see it. If not, we're closing out here. Guys,
Bye.
thanks for watching. The activities shall begin tomorrow. That'll be day 3. And we got day 4. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.